Toughman Hawaii presents Next Generation. Junior Division Tournament of Champions will be held this coming Saturday, August 13, at Afook-Chinen Civic Auditorium in Hilo. Doors open at 5 p.m. The action starts at 6 p.m. This MMA event will feature competitors from around the Aloha State and Las Vegas. The featured competitors include Maximo Kyle, son of former UFC fighter Mike Kyle, facing Tyton Teves, son of two-time X-1champion Tim Teves; Navaeh Hao, son of Bellator fighter Scotty Hao; Rayson Castro, son of initial Toughman Hawaii lightweight champion Raymond Castro; Chason Castro, son of reigning Toughman Hawaii cruiserweight champion Ashton; Medevac Castro; Iliana Mandaloniz and Colt Tuff Mandaloniz, whose father is former UFC fighter Troy Mandaloniz. Tyton Teves will be among the next generation fighters competing at Toughman Hawaii Next Generation Junior Division Tournament of Champions, 7 p.m. Saturday. The young fighters will compete to advance to finals. A champion will be crowned in each division and awarded a championship belt.